Hello everyone, welcome to IMS Gate Academy. Here is a recruitment update, dear students, from BOB Bank of Baroda. You can see here recruitment of the professional on regular basis in various departments. Okay, number of vacancies are 1, 2, 6, 7 here. Last date for applying is 17 January. When we will click here, we can see the detailed PDF. Let's check it out, the detailed PDF. So last date of submission and application and payment of fees is 17 January 2025. Its online registration already started from the 28th December. Okay, so they are going to recruit on that in the different streams. I'm going to cover here about the engineers only. Okay, so let's see the detail of position and eligibility criteria. So this is for the rural and agriculture banking, 200 vacancies are there. MSME banking, 341 vacancies are there. Then the next one is information security. Okay, 9 vacancies are there. For the minimum age limit is 22, maximum is 32 year. BE Tech in computer science is required. Post will be the officer class scale 1. 5 vacancies are there, but in this case minimum 1 year experience is required in this IT or IT security in the banking financial department. Okay, second is the manager security analysis scale 2. Number of vacancies 2, minimum age limit 24, maximum 34. 3-year experience is required. Who can apply? BB Tech in computer science, information technology, electronics and communication students are eligible here. Same here also, BB Tech in computer science in all these three. BB Tech in computer science, CS means IT, electronics and communication required, but experiences for the first post 1 year, 3 year, and this is for the 6 year. This is for the senior manager. Okay, then this is for the department is facility management. 22 vacancies are there. Minimum age limit 22, maximum 32. 6 vacancies are there. Technical officer, civil engineering, BB Tech in civil is required, but again here minimum 1 year experience required in the relevant field. Okay, then second year technical manager civil scale 2, number of vacancies 2, BB Tech in civil, but in this case 3-year minimum experience is required. So all these vacancies experience is required overall. Okay, technical manager, technical senior manager civil scale 3, 4 vacancies, BB Tech in civil, but 6-year experience required here. Okay, here again technical officer electrical engineering, like this one scale 1, 2, 1 year experience required. Age limit is mentioned here, BB Tech in electrical. Same for this one, 3-year experience, and this is for the 6-year experience. Okay, then they are having some corporate and institutional also, and the finance also there. Information technology again, BE Tech. Here number of vacancies are good, 177 vacancies, but for the senior developer, senior developer, cloud engineer, here the minimum 6 year, 3 year, 6 year, 3 year work experience required. So if you are having here this work experience, then surely you can apply, bacho, but requirement is only BE Tech with the experience. Okay, maximum age limit is 37, 34, 37. Number of vacancies here we are having total 177 vacancies. Okay, so any graduate in BE Tech, if you are having here this experience, please read this carefully ki whether you are having this segment experience, then you are eligible for applying here. Okay, so these are the post. After that the data management, I think again here the masters or BE Tech is required here again in the computer science data warehouse, but minimum 3-year experience. So overall this is not for the freshers. Yeah, surely if you are having experience, then you are eligible here. You can read for the modes. Okay, roles and responsibility, they mention here. Reservations, yes, according to the government rule, reservation is applicable here. Wherever it is mentioned, reservation is applicable. As I told you, this is a long PDF of 42 pages, so more means lots of the information available here. You can see application fees. If you want to apply here, to 600 rupees plus applicable taxes plus payment gateway charges for the general EWS and OBS candidate. If you are from the SC, ST, PWD and women candidate, then 100 plus applicable taxes plus payment gateway you need to pay. Okay, location of posting can be anywhere in the branches or offices at the of the bank or at any place in the India. Yeah, scale pay they mention here for the junior manager management here for the scale 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this is 48,400, 80 to 62,000. They mention this is the scale pay, bacho. Very easily we can see. Yeah, probation period for a period of 12 months, 1 year probation period, service agreement will be there. Eligibility criteria we already discussed, that is the eligibility criteria. I want to cover here The very important is the selection process. तो selection process may comprise online test, psychometric test or any other test deemed suitable for the selection process, followed by the group discussion interview. So they are having surely the online test, and they mention the pattern of online test also, in which you are having questions: reasoning 25 question 25 marks, English 25 question 25 marks, quant 25 question 25 marks. Professional knowledge means your stream wise 75 questions 150 marks. So total 225 marks 150 questions. 75 total duration is 150 minutes. The paper will be bilingual. Okay, so then about sections of test, except the test of English language will be bilingual. Okay, so what is the minimum qualifying marks? Percentage of marks in each of the section will be 40%. In each of the category, if you are from the general or EWS, then you should have 40% marks for qualifying. Okay, and then they will call you for the group discussion and the personal interview, and then the final selection will be there. Okay, so more guidelines they mention here. Even they mention the examination cities also. Wherever they are having center, they mention the cities for the online test. You can just check it out, dear student, the details, and accordingly you can apply. If you want to apply, as I told you, lots of the things available here. Document verification. So if you want to apply before the 17th January, you can apply, dear students, and please read out this detailed information which is available on the BOB Bank of the Baroda, okay, website only itself. So please check it out, this one, and then you can apply. Stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates.